Hello everyone, I'm Tim Martinez with the Disco Dish. It's harvest time here in the valley, so we're gonna roast some green chili. Chili's doing good. So here's my chili roaster. It's a big barrel with this metal mesh. We have a burner underneath, run by propane, and that's how we roast our green chili. This is a newer version. It's still hand operated, but it's got some nice bearings and locks and open gate like that. And then back here, what we have is an older chili roaster that my grandfather built many moons ago. I like to roast about a bushel at a time, so we're gonna fill up. This is my gauge, a bushel. This is an old school bushel, and so we're gonna top this off and get to roasting here shortly. So here we have a bushel of chili. This is the Velarde native chili. We live in Velarde, New Mexico, so this is our local native variety. As you can tell, it's a little bit smaller than the Hatch green chili or the Ep12 green chili. They make those big Jim and stuff like this. But this is our local, especially for the growing season we have up north. Very tasty. And so this is our Velarde chili, our native variety. Alright, who's gonna spin it for me so I can wash it off? I'm just gonna wash off the chili, get some dirt, get any dirt and stuff off of that. So he spins it and spin it the other way on this go around, because I'll bring it closer to me. Thank you. Yeah, spin it. Keep spinning, keep spinning. Perfect. So we wash off all the dirt and it cools it down a little bit, and then we get ready for roasting. Now I have my tail turning it really slow. Those ones with the electric motor, they work just fine, but I like how we can do it to our liking. Nice and slow. We don't beat up the chili. There's not chili seeds thrown everywhere. We just do it nice and slow. Now you know the chili's doing pretty well. It's heating up when we start hearing that pop. So here closer we'll have you listen to that, but it's gonna start popping and then you're gonna start smelling. It's gonna smell really good. Okay, so we're getting really close to it being fully roasted. And so what we're looking for, the sign we're looking for is some of the skin starts to fall off. So that way we know it's getting roasted fully. And so we're gonna do it a couple more turns and then our chili's roasted. A little bit faster now, dude. There you go. Let them roll. You need them to roll on the flame. There you go, just like that now. So now that they're roasting, they're going to stick together more. So that, yeah, we need them to roll like that. I think that's it. let's get this cooler over here. Get the gloves on, and you're gonna help out like you guys do, one on each side.
Where are the gloves?
They're right there on top of that thing. Oh,
Now give me the last one.
whoever has the glove, turn that thing and open the gate. Remember, it's hot. I know. There you go. Lift it up. Okay, open that gate slowly. That's from up top. It's gonna slide down so it don't get burnt. Okay. So this is what we're looking for. Some of the skin is peeled off already in the roast. Everything's together. And so we're fully roasted. Velarde chili. All right. I don't look. Oh, my press room's locked. Check that. We've been letting the chili roast, sweat for a couple of hours, and now it's time to get to work. So now the chili's been roasted. Now we're gonna peel it, process it, we're gonna freeze some, and we're gonna pressure can some. So now the work begins. And that's the disco dish.